Today we're going to be doing something really fun. I'm going to show you how to buy super large canvases, buying the frame, and then assembling the frame for super dirt cheap. The only reason they can be cheap is that they're made from China. That's the reality, really. Here's an example from canvas-castle.com. I bet these guys have absolutely nothing in stock. They just buy from China and then ship it to your house. Airdrop, ship it to your house. If you pick a big size like 120 by 180 centimeters, then it's about $140. That's a lot. What I ultimately found out was that Aliexpress sells basically a lot of the same thing for dirt cheap. So here's one, 100 centimeters by 200 centimeters, $56. A third of the price for the same quality, same size. Once you select the canvas that you want and the size that you want, don't forget to get the frame. So go ahead and search for canvas frame, and here are some frames for you to look at. So for a frame of 90 centimeters by 180 centimeters, it's about $40. Not bad for everything under $100. When you buy the frame, it comes in multiple pieces. Go ahead and line all of the 100s on one side and all of the 200s on one side. I wouldn't really worry about the labeling. Just make sure that they form one straight piece. When you line them up in one straight piece, the connector to reinforce everything is this metal thing. Be sure to have the metal edge on the outside, and on the inside, there's no metal whatsoever. Secure the metal onto wood with these screws that's provided. Before you screw it in though, I highly recommend drilling a pilot hole. Otherwise, you might crack the wooden piece instantly. Go ahead and peel the tape away so that it will stick to the canvas, and then fold the pieces upward like so. Here you can see I fold up the pieces and then secure it with this metal nail. You don't need to use a hammer, just press it in and it'll stay. Next up, to make sure that everything's square, go ahead and insert these wooden pieces in. Because this is such a large frame, you'll need these braces in the middle. And just like the frame itself, the braces need to be reinforced with metal pieces as well. This is what it looks like with the frame and the braces in place. Don't forget to secure the braces onto the frame itself using these metal pieces. They're held together with just 2 screws. With the excess canvas, go ahead and use the thumbtack provided to hold everything down further. I almost forgot. Don't forget to use these metal pieces for you to hang on onto the wall. You can secure them to the frame using just 2 screws. Because this frame is so big, I'm going to need to use these 2 mounts. The canvas and the frame is now ready to be hung onto the wall. I'm using this fancy laser leveler thingy-majiggy. You really don't need it, but you need at least a leveler to make sure everything is level. This laser is really nice because it gives you a nice preview of everything will be. They give you this plastic piece. It has 3 nails, and go ahead and hammer it into position. It sticks out a little bit so you can hang the canvas onto this piece. And here is the canvas one more time on the wall. From a distance of about 3 or 4 feet, it looks really nice. But you can see that the print is pretty bad if you're standing up closer, like about a feet away. Alright, hopefully this video helps you with decorating your house, your room. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, and thanks for watching.